What's up, everyone? So I've heard that a lot of people are confused on NSCC-010. Let me show you the way. NSCC-010, if you want to know what's going on with any filing, okay, I'll link this below. I would just recommend going to the site itself. It's right here on the main page of the rule filing section. They're typically in order for when they were last released. So yeah, as far as NSCC-010, right here we can see that comments were due September 2nd, 2021 for 010. Rebuttal comments are due September 17th right here. So we have proceedings were instituted back on November 5th to determine whether to approve or disapprove the rule. The comments for this are due December 3rd, so that has already passed. The rebuttal comments are due December 17th, 2021. So keep that in mind. The 17th is this Friday. Again, we should get some kind of news by Friday. So that's what's going on with it. If you were confused on that, if you thought it's supposed to be implemented already, it's not. Still waiting on that comment period. Got a few more days, so that's what's going on with NSCC-010. And yeah, there you have it. Now, another thing, RSS feeds are crucial. If you would like to use these, I'll link this website below, so you can go take a look at these RSS feeds and get them synced up, so you get a news feed delivered to you. You don't have to rely on some of these other people that are on the internet. You know how that goes. Lots of haters out there. So anyways, I'll link all this stuff below so you can take a look. And basically, to reiterate, NSCC-010, we should know something by the end of this week. Have a good one.